Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Loud House character, and this time it's gonna be Lola. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw Lola, and to begin we're gonna draw her eyes, but we're gonna have to draw some of her hair first in front of her eyes. And then now we're gonna draw, sits right in the middle, we're just gonna draw two little lines like this. I know it's a little odd. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw her nose, just right underneath those two little lines. And then now we can finish off her eyeball, so it's just gonna be one big curve here. And then another big curve on the other side. It's a little tricky because it's behind her hair. So now we can finish up the eyes here. Just 1, 2. Okay, and then we can give her some lashes. 1, 2, 3 on this side, and then 1, 2, 3 on this side. That way it'll look more like a girl, right? Okay, so then from there we're gonna draw her mouth. So right underneath, we're just gonna go right across as if one big smile. And then now we're gonna draw the bottom of the mouth. So we're gonna come down. Okay. And then on the other side, just come down, connect to that. So now we're gonna draw her teeth. And on the bottom right here, we're just gonna draw one line across. And then we're gonna draw one line here and another line here. And then one line there for the teeth, another line there. And then for the bottom, we're just gonna go 1, 2, and 3. And it looks like she's missing some teeth in the middle, so just let me shade that in because it will look a lot cuter. These missing teeth. Okay, so then from there, that's pretty much her face. Right now, we're gonna finish up her head. So we're gonna continue this line here. Okay, and then we're gonna draw three little strands right there. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then we're gonna draw. Now we're gonna draw the whole big circle. So this is probably the most trickiest part. So we're gonna come here. Let's go all the way across. Okay, and now we're gonna come down. And we can draw the other side first so we can give ourselves some better guidelines. Okay, so just all the way around. And now we're gonna come down all the way underneath the mouth a little bit. Okay. And this is the most trickiest part. All right, and then from there now we can finish up her hair. So we're gonna come down here, 1, 2, and then on the other side as well. So one big one, and then one smaller one. And then she's got some brow here, which is really weird. Okay, so 1, 2, and now we're gonna give some strands on the hair right here. So it's pretty much the same curvature. And then 1, 2. Okay, and then let's see. Let's finish up the crown. So right in the middle, just go up 1, 2, and 3. So it's pretty easy, right? So just like little egg shapes. 2, and then one more small one. Okay, and then from there, let's draw her ear. So right on the side here, we're just gonna go 1, and then on the other side, it's kind of same distance, 2, and now for the inside, just gonna be one little curve like this, and then one little curve like this. And she's got a little bit of earrings, so we're just gonna draw a circle and circle. Okay, so that's pretty much her face, and she looks pretty funny, right? Okay, so now let's draw her necklace. So we come down, just draw 1, 2, so it's gonna be 4. Okay, and then from there, now we can draw her body, and this is gonna be pretty simple. So right from the necklace right here, we're just gonna draw 2 little lines going out, kind of flaring out a little bit. And then for the bottom of her dress, one little bump and one big curve, one straight line like this. Just kind of come out Okay, and then from the middle here, we can draw 1. And now we're just gonna connect it to the other side. 2. Here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, doesn't have to be exact as long as just some little curves like that to make it look like a dress. And then look like there's some detail here. Okay, and then now for arm, so right here in the middle, just draw one little triangle like this. And then now on the top, just kind of follow that. Now we're gonna draw our fingers, so we're gonna come out and just curve it back in. And this is gonna be really small, so I'm just gonna curve it back like that. So it's kind of like 2 fingers that you can see. And then on the other side, it's the same thing. So we're gonna go one little triangle like that. And then on the outside, we're gonna come out, in, fingers, just curve it back to the body. All right. And then now we're gonna draw our hair, which is gonna be really easy, right? So from here, we're just gonna go straight down. And on both sides, we just go straight down like that. And then now we're just gonna give it some flare and some strands, right? So 1, 2, and then on the other side, we'll go 1, 2, and maybe 1 more, 3. And that's it for this Lola character from the Loud House. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please check out all my other Loud House videos, and I will see you next time.